Hello all. So welcome to Java and JWT training. Okay. As part of this first class, I'm going to start the concept of declarations and modifiers. Declarations and modifiers. Modifiers. Okay. So as part of this concept, I'm going to cover the following concepts like uh, Java source file structure. Second one, class modifiers. Third one, member modifiers. Fourth one, interfaces. Okay, so as part of declarations and modifiers, I'm going to cover all these concepts. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to start with the Java source file structure. So what is a Java source file structure? Okay, so a Java program can contain any number of classes. First point in a Java program can contain any number of classes. Any number of classes. A Java program can contain any number of classes, but at most one class can be declared as a public. That is the rules we need to follow. At most one class can be declared as the public. At most one class means if there are no public class in that program, that is also fine. But at most one class we can declare as a public. Okay, can we see an example? Okay, so what is meant by a Java program? A file, which extension is .java. Okay, a file which extension is .java is nothing but a Java program file. Understand? So here our file name is declarations modifiers demo.java. Means what? It is a file which contains a Java program. Understand? So till now we write some text within the comments area, within the comments section. Okay, so this is how we need to declare a comment in Java program. Understand? Okay, so this will not come under a Java program. Okay, this will not comes under a Java program. Understand? So now I am writing some classes. Class A. Okay, let us take an example of class A, like class B, like class C. Understand? So if we take this Java source file structure, what is a Java source file structure? A Java program which can contains any number of classes, any number of classes. So see here we have different classes are there, right? Class A, class B, class C. Okay, our first point is satisfied. At most one class can be declared as a public. Okay, here is there any classes declared as a public? No, that is also fine. At most one classes. If we want to declare a particular class as a public, only one class can be declared in entire Java program as a public. Understand? So this is a Java source file structure. Okay, so how to compile a Java program? I will show you. See here. So my sincere request is please use this text editor and command line prompt. Okay, so in order to learn Java, so this will helps a lot. Don't use any IDE, Eclipse or IntelliJ or anything. Okay, please use only text editor and command line. So this is a way we need to. This is a way to learn Java. Okay, I'm going to that folder structure, CD G drive, CD training. So where is our dot Java file, dot Java program is located? So to that location we need to go. Here our .java program is located. Okay, so I am compiling this .java program using Java C command. Okay, declarations and modifiers demo.java, Java C declarations and modifiers demo.java. So this is our program name. So in our Java program, how many classes are there? How many classes? Three classes are there: class A, class B, class C. Okay, if you look into the folder structure, where is our program is located? Training, Java, notes, uh, in Java May 2K7 batch, we have only one .java program is there, .java file is there. Okay, along, is there any other files are located in this folder? No, only declarations modifiers demo.java file is located. That's it. Okay, so in this location, so only one declarations modifiers demo.java program is located. Okay, so now what I am doing, I am compiling this particular program by using Java C command. Okay, I'm pressing enter here. I'm clicking enter here. C. So, so what does it mean? What does it mean? It compiles successfully. Otherwise, it will throw some errors. Okay, here we are not getting any errors. Means what? It compiles successfully. Can we look into that folder? Okay, see here. If you look into this folder, along with this declarations modifiers demo.java file, we have three new files are generated. What are these three new files? Okay, so how many classes are available in our program? Three different classes are available. What are those? Class A, class B and class C. Understand? For each class, one dot class file will be generated at the time of compilation. Okay, at the time of compilation using Java C command, whenever we compile the .java program using Java C command, it compiles and also generates a dot class files. Okay, dot class files. So how many classes are available in our .java program? Those many dot class files are generated with class names in the same location. Okay, are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is how we need to write one particular Java program, and we need to this is how we can compile that Java program. Okay, so these many dot class files are generated. Okay, so this is what. Okay, so according to our definition, Java source file structure, any number of classes will be there, and at most one class can be declared as a public. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I am declaring this class C or class A as a public. Can we declare class B also a public? No. According to the definition, at most one class can be declared as a public. Understand? At most, not at least, at most. Okay. So now I'm going to compile one more time just to see here. Java C declarations modifiers demo.java. Okay. So can you tell me, is it a it will be a successful compilation, or it will be a, or it will throw any error? Any guesses?
It should be successful.
It should be successful. We can try here. See here. Yeah, it is throwing some error. It is throwing some error. So according to our definition, a Java source file structure can have any number of classes. Okay, fine. At most one class can be declared as a public. That is what we are doing, right? We are declaring this class A as a public. Only one class be declared as a public. Then what's the problem here? So what it is saying, class A is public, okay, should be declared in a file named with a.java. Yes. So what is the problem here? It is, if we declare any class as a public in one .java program, that .java program name should should match with the class name. Understand? So whatever the class we declared as a public, that the class name and the program name should be same. Otherwise, it will throw a compile time error. That is what it is saying. The compilation error at line number 12. Okay, we are at line number 12. Okay, what is the problem here? Class A is public, should be declared in a file named with a.java. So that is where we did a mistake. So what we need to do? We need to change this program name as a. Understand? So see here, what I am doing is I am changing the name of that program as A. Okay. Okay. Now our program name is changed. Okay. With the A. Okay. So what is the Java source code structure? Any number of classes will be there. Okay. 3 classes are there. At most one class can be declared as a public. Okay. We declare class A only as a public. Okay. What is the third point we need to follow? Name of that name of the uh, file and public class should be same. See here, I'm compiling one more time. Java C. Now what is our program name? A. So see here, it compiles successfully. Okay, understand? Any doubts up to here? If there is no
Why we need to, what is the reason behind keeping the public class name and the file name same?
what is the reason is, see here, any class, any program can contain any number of classes. Okay, but at least at most one class can be declared as a public. So
Mm-hmm.
here we need to maintain the class name and the program name should be same. What is the reason is, according to the industry standards, according to our design principles. Okay, in one .java program, only one class should be there. Of course, we can have many number of classes. Of course, we
Yeah.
can have many number of classes, but according to the standards, some design principles, our program should contain only one class, uh,
One public class.
one public class, uh, one public class. That is the standard. Understand?
And if I do not make it public, then I need not to keep the class name and the file name same,
Yes,
right? Okay.
you can have any name.
Any name. Okay. It's just in case of public,
Correct,
right?
correct.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so now our program compiles successfully, right? So
Yeah.
now what I'm doing is, what happens if I declare another class also as a public? Anybody guess?
There should be error.
There should be an error. What is that error? Tell me. Guess it.
Uh, Maybe there should be compilation error because it will look for one public class, but there are two.
Hmm?
I'm just guessing. I
Yeah,
don't
yeah,
know.
yeah, yeah. So that's correct. Okay, I will explain. See here, I'm clicking enter. See here, what it is saying. So it is absolutely fine with A. Class
Yeah.
A is public and file name is also A. So it is
Hmm.
compiler, Java compiler is absolutely fine with A. But the problem is with B.
Yeah.
Here compiler is looking B as a public class, but this public
Mhm.
class is there in A.java but not in B.java. That
Yeah.
is what it is saying. Class B is public, should be declared in a file named with B.java.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
so can I make it this class name as a B.java?
Yeah, you can, but
Uh,
there will be again error.
which type of
I
error?
the same thing, like it will look for class A and it will say that the
Very good.
class A
Hmm.
should declare it.
Very good, very good. See here. Now it is
Yeah.
complaining about A.
Mm.
Class A is public.
But,
Should be declared in a
yeah.
file named with a.java. Okay. So
Yeah.
according to our definition, Java source file structure, we can maintain any number of classes, but at most one
Mhm.
class can be declared as a public. That too, the name of the file and the public class should be the same. So these three rules we need to follow while designing any Java program. Understand? So according to the industry standards, one program in one Java program or in one .java file, uh, keeping one class, one class is always suggestible. Suggestible. Of course, we can maintain any number of classes, but keeping one class is always suggestible. Understand? If you want to maintain any other classes, we can take another .java program. Okay. So this is what. Okay, this is about Java's true source file structure. Any doubts up to here?
No.
Okay. So okay. See here. In Java, so what kind of class it was? Class B is what kind of class?
It's a public class, the
It's a
main
public
class.
class. It's a public class. I'll tell you one thing. Okay, in Java we have different types of classes are there. Different types of classes are there. What are those different types of classes? Mm, predefined class, predefined classes, and user defined classes. User defined classes, predefined classes, and user defined classes. What is meant by predefined classes? What is meant by Java?
Those
Tell me.
the predefined classes are the classes which are already defined, and we just use them. And
We
user defined are in which we write the code,
correct.
like the B
So
classes.
correct, correct. Suppose in user defined class, I'm writing this code public static void main.
Mhm.
I'm using some this class array list L is equal to new array list. What is this array list? Tell me. What is this?
It's predefined.
It's a predefined class. Okay, it's a predefined class. So now I'm going to compile this one. Java C B dot Java. So what it is saying? Cannot find symbol. Why it is not able to find me? Array list. So I'll do one thing. See here. Class A. Okay. So here I'm creating one more object. Class A. A is equal to new A. Understand? I'm compiling one more
Yeah.
time. Java C B dot Java. So what is happening here? It is complaining about only array list, but not A. Why? What is the reason?
Big. I think it's able to get the A, but not the array list.
Correct. So this class, this A definition is available to class B. Why?
Yeah.
Because this class A and B are there in the Java program.
Same file. Yeah.
Same file.
Mhm.
But when it comes to this array list class, which is not available to class B, so what we need to do? We need to import that class definition.
Okay.
Import. We need to import this array list class definition into our file. Then this B is able to recognize. So in order to import this particular class. So how we can achieve that one? By using, in Java we have import keyword is there, import java dot util dot array list. We know about array list class, but what is this java dot util dot? What is this? It is a package structure. Okay, I'll explain after some time. Okay, it is a package structure. This array list class is there in java dot util package, but when it comes to A, is there in b.java, or if we can say is there in this folder structure. But when it comes to this array list class, is there in java.util package. Understand? So in order to get this array list class definition into this file, what is the way? We need to use import statement. Understand? Now I'm going to compile. See here, I didn't save it, I think. List. It compiles successful now. See here. So if any class definition is not available within the in class, then we need to import that particular class. Understand? We need to import that one. So here I'm trying to print some statement, system dot out dot println. So any hello world. So so here what we are doing actually, somebody can tell me. Sindhu, are you there in the call?
Yeah.
Yeah, Sindhu. Yeah. So tell me. Uh, so what we are doing actually at this particular statement?
It will print hello all.
So we are trying to print some text on the console. Understand? So what is this system? What is this out and what is this println? Hmm?
Print ln is a function,
Very good. Okay. What is this out?
and um, I I don't know. I just know that it's a function because it has the braces at the end, so
Okay.
it must
Okay.
be a.
It must be a function. Okay, so in Java we are calling functions as a methods. Okay, from now onwards we can call only as a method, not function. Okay, so println
Okay.
is a method. So what is this
Okay.
out and what is this system? Tell me, what is this system?
Class, predefined class.
Yeah, it is a predefined class. So this predefined class, what is this array list? It is also a predefined
That's
class.
also.
Predefined. So here is system class is available in this program.
Yeah, that's
Where
right.
here a class A is
No,
available, so we are directly using it. Class array list is not available, so we are importing it. Then what about this system? Okay, I'll compile one second. See here, Java C v.java. Compile successfully. So compiler is not complaining about the system class. Now tell me, is as class A is directly available in this particular program, so we are directly using it. As class A list is not available, so we are importing it. Then what about this system? It is also looking like a class. Why? Because this word is starting with capital letter. So it is also looking like a class. Always classes are starts with the capital letter. Okay. So this system is a predefined class. Okay. Up to that it was correct. Okay. Then is this system class is available in our program? No. We are not importing also. Then why? Then how the program is compiling successfully? Because this system class is there in the java.lang package. Okay, so see here, I have another command, java p is a command. Okay, what I'm doing is java.lang.system. So what Java C will do? Java C will compile this .java program. What Java P will do? Okay, so here I am giving one class name. Here I am giving one class name. Okay, so what this Java P will do? Java P will displays what and all methods are available in this system class. Okay, I am clicking enter here. So these are all the methods are available in the system class. See here public, final, class, java.lang.system, like class A only. Okay. Here in this particular class we have, it has so many properties are there, and also so many methods are there. Okay. So many methods are there. Okay. It is also class. Okay. So here our question is, why this system class we are not importing in our program? Why? Because this system class belongs to java.lang package. Okay, so whatever the class which belongs to java.lang package, we need not import those classes in our program. Those classes which are there in the java.lang package are by default available in every Java program. That is the reason why we are not importing the system class. Why? Because this system class belongs to java.lang package. Whatever the class which belongs to java.lang package, those are by default available in in each and every Java program. We need not import those classes. Understand? Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Okay. So that is what here. And one more thing I want to explain. Let us assume in class A we have okay, I'll explain that one later. So okay. So in system class we are seeing this method, right? Println method. Okay. If you go through the system class, we'll check for that println method. No. So how we are calling this println method? Using this out. What is this out? How we are invoking this out? Using system class, system dot out. What is this out? Can we see that? See here, in system class we have a variable called out. We have a variable called out. This out we are referencing here using system class. Understand? So Madhu, we are done with the a demo class, right?
Yeah.
In the demo class, we already seen some class example, right?
I don't remember exactly.
Okay. Suppose if you take this particular class, here I am taking a property called integer A and int B.
Yeah.
Okay, integer A and int B. Okay. So class A. What is this int A and int B? Or else we can take another example, class account. Let us assume this is a bank account. What and all will be there in this particular account class? Int account number, uh, double balance. Okay.
Yeah, these
Double.
are variables.
These are variables. That is what I am saying. These are variables. Okay. So for each class, we have many variables will be there. Understand? So
Yeah.
in the same manner, this system class is also having some variables. These are variables. What are those variables? In, out, error. Uh, all these three are variables in system class like this. Understand? Like this, in, out, error are the variables. So here in this account class, what kind of variable ACNO is?
Integer type.
Integer type. What kind of variable this balance is?
Double.
Double type.
Double.
So now tell me, what kind of variable this out is? It is a print stream type. Understand? It is a print stream type. So what is this class A? What is this class account? What is this class B? And what is this ACNO int? Is there any similarity between these things? What what is the ACNO type?
Integer.
Integer. What is the what is this A type?
That's A.
A.
Class A.
Yeah. What is this L type?
Array.
Array list.
List.
Array list type.
Yeah.
So here what? So in order to represent any data, definitely we need to have some data type. In order to represent account number, integer is enough. In order to represent an amount, amount will be a decimal value, right? Amount is a decimal value, right? Will be a decimal value. 1,000 rupees, 1,050, 1,050 point some 30 paisa. So how to represent a decimal values? Using some data type, double type or float type. And so in the same manner, how to represent a using this class A type. So we have three different types are there. Along with the predefined and the user defined, we have another also that is not a Java, that is a primitive data type. Primitive data type. Understand? In order to represent the data. In order to represent a bank account data, let us assume my bank account, Sravan's ICICI bank account. So how to represent a Sravan's bank account information? Using this account data type. Understand? So if you take the system class, if you take this out variable, what kind of variable it was? It was a print stream type. Are you getting my point? This out is a
Yeah.
variable which is of type print stream. What is this print stream? This name itself it is saying about it is this class is to print something. This class is to print something. What is this account class? This account class is to represent a bank account of some person. In the same manner, in system class, we have a variable out, okay, variable out of type print stream. What is this print stream class will do? This print stream class is used to print something on some device. Understand? Here, I am using system.out.println. So how to access this out variable? How to access this out variable? Using system class. Why? Because this out is of type static variable. Okay, I will explain in detail about after some classes. Okay, this out variable is of type static variable. Understand? So that is the reason why how to access this out variable? Using a class name. Are you getting my point? Using class name. So here I am using system dot out. In print stream class we have println method. Can we see that? See java p java dot io dot print stream. So if we go through this particular print stream class, see here public class print stream. In this print stream class, we have several methods are there. What are those methods? In those methods, we have one method is named with println. Println. We have many println methods are there. Here we are using println of string. This method will take a string as an argument. Are you getting my point? This method will take string as an argument. So that is what we are doing. This print. So this println belongs to a print stream class. Okay. In Java in system class, this print stream is a variable, okay, variable, through this variable, uh, through this variable out, I'm invoking println method in the print stream class. Are you able to getting my point? So here using system dot out dot println of this string, I am passing string as an argument. Any doubts up to here?
No.
Okay. So see here, I am compiling this class Java C B dot Java Java B. So compilation is successful. Now what I am doing, I am executing this particular class. So compilation successful. In B.Java, many classes are there. Class A, class account, class B. These three dot class files are generated after compilation. In those dot class files, I am executing one particular B class. Are you getting my point? So I am executing. I am clicking enter. So what happens? Hello, hello world is printing on the console. Got it?
Yeah.
Understood, right? So see here. Hello world is printing on the console. So now you are able to understand system what system dot out dot println. So why we are not importing this system class in our class, because the system class is belongs to java.lang package. All classes which belongs to java.lang package are by default available to our program. So we are not we need not import this system class. Understand? So till now we discussed about Java source file structure and how to import a class, and how to execute a class, and how this statement is printing on the console, that we discussed it till now. Okay, so this is about Java source file structure introduction. Okay, so importing, we have many kinds of imports are available. Okay. Mm, um, I will explain in detail about import, how there are many types of imports are there. Here I am using only one type of import statement. We have many types of import statements are there. I'll cover those topics in our coming classes. Okay. I need to explain some more concepts to understand those types. Understand? That is the reason why I am skipping this here. Uh, I'm going to give some more information. I'm going to start this class modifiers. Okay. So what is this class modifiers then? What is this class modifiers? So we have in Java, we have many number of class modifiers are there. Many number of class modifiers are there. Okay. So before going to discuss about this class modifiers, I want to explain some packages concept. Which is a sub concept of this Java software structure, packages concept. So what is this package? This ArrayList class is representing as a java.util package. Understand? So this is system class belongs to java.io.system system. Okay, if we can import, there is no problem. Okay, import is not required, but if we import, there will be not an issue. Okay, so this is system class belongs to java.io package, and ArrayList belongs to java.util package. Why Java people segregated the classes into different packages? The reason is system class. Why this? What is the main usage of the system class? In order to print something on the console, or the system class will help us to access the devices in the system. So this system class is dealing with the console. This system class is dealing with the keyboard. This system class is dealing with the mouse. So all the classes which are which deals with the devices of the computer, or performing any IO operations, means input or output operations, means if we want to write some content on the file, or if we want to read that content from the file, or if we want to create a folders, files by Java program, by using this Java program, then such kind of classes we are treating as a IO classes, input or output classes. So such kind of classes these Java people placed under Java.io package. Understand? We have another class is also there, linked list. LL is equal to new linked list. So if we compile this one, so it is complaining about linked list. So linked list is also not available in this particular class, so we need to import that class as well. Import java.util.linked list. Linked list. So what is this linked list? This linked list is also belongs to util package. So whatever the classes which are having the similar functionality, whatever the classes which are having the similar functionality, those classes we need to group together. We need to group those classes. Okay, that is what Java people are doing. So Java people thinks that array list and linked list and so many other classes are there. Those classes are having the similar functionality. So that is the reason why those classes are keeps in java.util package. Understand? So in java.io package there are many number of classes are there. For example, if you take system class, java p java.io system. In, sorry, it belongs to lang package, right? Belongs to lang package. In lang package, see here, a print stream and the input stream, these are two different classes. These classes are belongs to IO package. This system class is belongs to lang package. Okay, earlier I did a mistake. System class belongs to lang package, and the print stream and input stream and so many classes are there belongs to IO package. Understand? So see here. So whatever the classes which are having the similar functionality, those classes we need to these Java people put in keeps in relevant packages. Understand? That is what these people are doing. Okay. So in the same scenario, our user defined classes class A and our user defined class account and B, we also can maintain some packages like java.util.list like this. We also can maintain. There is not a big deal. Okay, how to maintain how to maintain a package? See here, using package statement package. I am taking com dot jnew batch package. Our package name is com.jnew package new batch. Understand? So see here, in our program we have different classes are there. All these classes I am treating, all these classes are belongs to similar functionality. So I am keeping all these classes into this com.jnew package. Understand? So now see here, if we go through this Java May 2K17 batch folder, b.java file is there. Understand? Along with this b.java file, in this Java program we have account class is there, class A is also there. So these dot class files is also generated and keeps in the same location. So now what I am doing is I am creating a new package. So till now we are not having this statement, so we are compiling using like this java c b.java. Till now this statement is not there in our program. We are compiling like this. there is no problem. Uh, from now onwards we are having this package statement in our Java program. So if in our Java program has a package statement, so we need to change a compilation process. So how we need to change? See here, Java C -d space dot space b dot java. If package statement is not there, we can compile like this, not a problem. If package statement is there, then what we need to do, we need to change the compilation process. Java C space -d space dot space b dot java. So what is this -d and dot? -d, this option, this command line, this Java C is a command, this Java C is a command, and -d is an option in that command. So what this -d will do, this -d will create a separate directory or separate folder. Okay, separate folder. Okay, so what is the folder name then? The folder name will be this com.jnew batch is the folder name. Okay, so where this folder will be created, I am specifying dot. What this dot will do, this dot specifies the generating folder will create in the current location. This dot specifies like this. This will generate a folder with name this in the current location. See here, till now do we have any folder like com.jnu? No, right? So see here, I'm compiling this one. It compiles successfully. So if we go through this folder, one new folder will be generated. What is that new folder? Com. Inside this com, a GNU batch, another folder will be there. Inside this GNU batch, all the newly generated classes are there, right? Class A, class account, and class B. All these newly generated .class files will placed under GNU batch. Okay, so now tell me where this class A is. This class A is in com.jnewbatch.a. Understand? Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
So now what I am doing is I am removing all these .class files and account. Okay, remove it. Now tell me, only b.java file is there, and I'm compiling. I'm removing this one also. I'm compiling one more time. See here, Java C -d space dot b dot java. Compile successfully. See, com dot jnew batch dot, these .class files, only .class files are generated. Understand? So now I want to execute that B, especially B class. Okay, can I do here? Somebody can tell me, can I do here? Earlier, I'm executing this B class in the same location. Are you getting my point? In the same location. Earlier it was successful, but now what happens we're going to see. See here, I'm clicking enter. What it is saying, could not find or load main class B. What is the meaning behind it? Tell me.
Because it's in package, it's not in the same location.
Yes, it's B. So whenever we are using Java command and whenever we are trying to execute this B class, it searches the B dot class file in the current location, but that B dot class file is not there in the current location. So earlier it was the dot class file is generated in this location only, but our program is not a normal program, it is a package related program. So now the dot class file is generated within this package. So how I am going to compile that one? Java com dot new batch dot b. Okay, I am staying in this same location only, but I am executing this b class using its fully qualified name. What is the b's fully qualified name?
Form
com.jnewbatch
dot.
dot b. Understand? See here. Now it prints hello world. Okay, so this is how we can create a package and everything. Okay, any doubts up to here?
No.
Sindhu, any doubts?
No.
Okay, so this is about package. Okay, so why I'm taking com.gnu? Why? Because it is an industry standard. It is an design standard. Okay, so every package should starts with com dot. Should start with com dot. Okay, so why this Java com dot Java we can have, right? So it is their standard. It is their standard. These are libraries, right? Their own, they have their own standards. But if we want to develop one project, if we want to design some classes on our own, okay, we need to have packages like this com dot gnu batch like this. Understand? So this is about
Yes.
today's class. I'm going to continue this concept in our next class. Okay. Um,